secretaries from the Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. I know that the Secretary of the Department of Education is with us. We also have with us this morning the Regional Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government. Kasama din po natin ngayong araw na to ang Secretary po natin sa Department of Labor and Employment. Of course, yung other partner natin from sa Team Basilan po, yung Brigade Commander natin ng 104th Brigade, Colonel Galvez. Yung from the religious sector sa Team Basilan, of course, kasamahan natin from the Basilan Ulama Council. Of course, we have with us Ustad Kaiser Toto. Of course, yung ating mga mayors na nandito sa atin na pinangungunahan po ng mayor ng Tabuan Lasa, the Honorable Mukhtar Y. Junaid. Of course, we have the mayor of Alantawan Municipality, the Honorable Rustam Ismael. We also have the mayor of Akbar Municipality, who is the chapter president of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines. We also acknowledge the presence of the other mayors na nandito po kasama natin. Of course, magagalit po talaga sa akin, tagalamitan pa naman ako. The Honorable Mayor Roderick H. Purigay from the City of Lamitan. Pareho kami tagalamitan yan. Of course, yung Assistant Secretary natin ng Tourism. Nandito pa naman si Vice Governor, pagagalitan din ako eh. Ang Secretary natin ng DOT. And then, Assistant Secretary po Mike Kader, ma'am. Welcome to Tabuan Lasa Municipality.